I'm Ashleigh Warner, and I'm teaching Creating Stylized Game Assets for CG Master Academy. I have 7 years of experience in the game industry, working primarily at Blizzard Entertainment on World of Warcraft. I've worked on 5 expansions, including Mists of Pandaria, Warlords of Draenor, Legion, Battle for Azeroth, and Shadowlands. In this 10-week class, I will teach you how to make stylized, hand-painted 3D props and environment art for games. The course covers the whole process from concept, model, texture to completed asset. Students will create a variety of smaller projects and one large environment scene. The last week is a practice art test to give students a feel for applying to jobs. The assignments are flexible, so students can build a portfolio aimed at their individual career goals. For week 1, we'll do an intro to stylized art and talk about art styles in different games, and we'll talk about beginner modeling and texturing. The assignment is painting 3 cubes in 3 different genres. For week 2, we'll talk about 2.5D art, which is art for a fixed camera angle. The assignment for that week is a small set of plants, including a tree. For week 3, we'll start our sci-fi prop, and the focus that week will be on design and story. The assignment will be doing a blockout model and a paint over to make a refined concept. For week 4, we'll finish the sci-fi prop, and we'll take a deeper look at efficient modeling and unwrapping. For week 5, we'll start our largest project, the environment scene. This scene can be any genre, interior or exterior. And the lecture that week will talk about composition and color theory, and the assignment will be the concept art for the scene, from thumbnails to rough color sketches. For week 6, we'll talk about tiling textures for terrain, and the assignment is 2 tiling textures for the ground or floor that blend together. Week 7, we'll talk about alpha textures, and students will create a plant and one other prop using an alpha, like cloth or effects. Week 8, we'll talk about prop design in more depth and gameplay requirements, and the assignment will be to create the hero prop or small structure that's the focal point of their large scene. Week 9, we'll talk about polish, and refining and making those last tweaks to value, color, and lighting to finish up the scene. And that assignment will be supporting props to fill out the scene. Week 10, we'll do our practice art test, and that will be a prop for a fantasy game. My demos for the course include my entire process from start to finish. I go through planning and creating original concepts, modeling in 3ds Max, unwrapping in Max and 3D Coat, painting in Photoshop in 3D Coat, and rendering images for my portfolio with Sketchfab. Students may use any 3D and painting programs they like. I've learned a ton of tips and tricks for working quickly at a high quality, and I pass that knowledge on to you through the demos and weekly live Q&As, where you can ask me questions and we can have class discussions. I also provide feedback videos and paintovers for every student and every assignment. The class is great for a range of skill levels. Whether you're a beginning 3D artist or someone with years of experience, you'll learn and come out of the class with new art to show off. To sign up, visit cgmasteracademy.com, and I hope to see you in my next term.